Good morning, students. So last class we did about mean. Okay, we have studied about the types of mean and the frequency distribution. So today we will be starting the new topic of data handling, that is median. Okay, topic is median. Now mean and median both are somehow same. Okay, but whenever we're saying the term median, now what does it mean? Median refers to the set of numbers in a row, okay, or it is the middle number in a given set of numbers. Suppose few numbers are written, let's say 6, 5, 9, 11, 3, 7, 19. Okay. Now if you say, in this case we need to find the median. Okay. So how we will find? Look. First we will see how many numbers are there. That is the frequency. You remember? We denoted it as F. So F is how much in this case? First we will see that. Now F is the number of terms, not the number of occurrence in median. Okay. F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F is 7. Right? Now we shall arrange this set of numbers in ascending order or in descending order. Okay. Now if we arrange it in descending order, what it comes? It becomes like this: 19, then 11, 9, 7, 6, 5, 3. Am I clear? So it is becoming like this if we arrange the numbers in descending order, right? So after arranging the numbers in descending orders, which is the middle term present here? The middle term here is 7, right? 7 is the middle term present in this set of numbers when they are arranged in ascending or in descending orders. So 7 is our required median in this case. Okay, are you clear? So 7 is the median. Any set of numbers which are given, those are known as data. So you need to arrange those data either in ascending order or in descending order. After arranging them in a proper order, you will see which number stays in between. Like look, 7, it stays in between, right? Why? Because left hand side of 7 contains 3 terms, right hand side of 7 contains 3 terms. So 7 sits in the middle of this number when these are arranged. Okay. So what are the things you need to remember? You need to remember which number fix in the middle, and first point is you need to arrange those set of numbers either in ascending or in descending order. Hope this is clear to you. Now we will be solving one example. Let's see, okay? Now this is question number 1. What is given here? It says that what is the median weekly salary of workers whose salaries are 84, 60, 50, 40, 45, 42, 38, 65 and 71. Means these are the set of weekly salaries given of a factory of some workers. Okay, these are the weekly salaries. We need to find the median salaries. So what we will do? Look, I am solving it. Okay, look very carefully. Answer. First we will solve all these given set of data in, let's arrange it in descending order. Okay, arranging the data in descending order, we get '84, then we have 71, 84, 71, 65, then 60, 50, 45, 42, 40 and 38. Right? So these are the given set of data which are arranged in descending order. Now what we'll do? Now we'll see which number fix in the middle. If you look very carefully, 50 is in the middle. Why? Because left hand side of 50 contains 4 terms, right hand side of 50 contains 4 terms. Right? Is it clear, students? 50টা যেখানে আছে তার লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে কটা আছে? 4টে টার্ম, রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডেও ঠিক 4টে টার্মই আছে, তাই না? তার মানে আমরা বলতে পারি যে 50টা হচ্ছে এই সব সেট অফ ডেটাসের মিডিয়ান, অর্থাৎ যেটা মাঝখানে আছে, তাই না? বোথ সেট কন্টেন্স দ্য ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট নাম্বার অফ টার্মস অন আইদার সাইডস অফ এ নাম্বার হুইচ ইজ কনসিডার্ড অ্যাজ এ মিডিয়ান। ক্লিয়ার? এটা হলো কি? এটা হলো আমাদের মিডিয়ান। নাও look one thing, if we count the number of salaries, it will be how much? N equals to 9. Right, N is the number of salaries. We will not write N as F, okay? F you can write, it's not wrong, but in this case we will write it as N, okay? N is how much? 9. So divide 9 by, if you divide 9 by 2, it's how much? It's 4.5. Right? So exactly 4.5 is which one? 4 and 0.5, right? So this is the median. This is just to cross check. Okay? So are you clear? Okay, so we'll be solving another one, okay? Okay children, now see this question. Don't say that sir this is same as the previous one, okay? It is different. How? Let me explain. Look, previous numerical what is saw? Same question is given, but in this case if you look very carefully, the number of data is 8, that is 1 less. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 means in this case we are given the weekly salaries of 8 workers, okay? Now again if we arrange the data in descending order, what it will come? 84, 65, 60, 50, 45, 42, 40 and 38. Now if you see, in this case you can't find a middle number. Why? Because the data in this case it's even. Okay? So whenever even data are given, at that time you can't select a single number to find the median. So in this case what we will do? In this case we will take two number. How? Look, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, if we split two sides equally, like 3 on left hand side and 3 on right hand side, okay? দেখো এটা কি হচ্ছে এখানে আমাদের, যখন আমাদের অড নাম্বার অফ ডেটা ছিল তখন আমরা কি করেছি, তখন আমরা ইকুয়ালিভাবে রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইড লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড সেপারেট করে দিয়েছি। বাট এখন আমাদের ডেটা হচ্ছে ইভেন, অর্থাৎ 8 আছে, ঠিক আছে? 8 কি ইভেন নাম্বার, তাই তো? তো যখন ইভেন নাম্বার থাকবে অ্যাট দ্যাট টাইম উই কান্ট ইউজ আওয়ার মেথড অফ ফাইন্ডিং দ্য মিডিয়ান। তাই আমরা কী করব? তাই আমরা দুটো নাম্বার নেব, ঠিক আছে? ইন দিস কেস we have taken 2 number. Now look, if we take 2 number, are they equal on either side now? দুটো নাম্বার নেওয়ার পরে এখন তো বোথ সাইড ইকুয়াল আছে, তাই না? তো এখন বোথ সাইডে যদি ইকুয়াল আছে, then we can write therefore median salary equals to কি লিখবো এখন আমরা? 50 plus 45 divided by 2, 95 divided by 2. Clear? এইভাবে আমাদের করতে হবে। So it will be how much? 47.5. This is your answer. Clear? এটা সবাই বুঝলে কি করলাম? Whenever even numbers of value or even data will be given, At that time, we will take two numbers as our median. We can't take single number, okay? Whenever single number is given, so single data will be given, we will take only one number. Are you clear? This is the method of solving, okay? Now, I'll give you some classwork to do, okay? So follow that classwork and do it now. Clear?